This garden kneeler and seat from AZBESTPRO combines a sturdy metal frame with a thick, widened foam platform that makes long weeding or planting sessions far easier on the knees and back. The 10-inch wide cushioned surface feels noticeably more supportive than many narrow pads, giving you extra stability when you shift your weight or push yourself up. Its foldable design lets the legs lock solidly in place for use as either a low kneeler or a comfortable bench, then collapse flat for quick storage in a shed or garage. The contact points that touch the ground use a tougher, more slip-resistant material than older plastic designs, so the bench stays steady even on slightly damp soil or grass. Two generously sized side pouches keep hand tools, seed packets, and gloves within easy reach, which cuts down on trips across the yard and keeps you working in one spot longer. Overall, it feels like a well-thought-out helper for gardeners of many ages, especially anyone who wants to keep enjoying yard work without as much strain on joints.